Good morning. We have arrived in Hanoi and we're just at Cafe Jean where we're getting the famous Hanoi egg coffee. I got just the OG iced. Ryan really got the hot one. Aaron got Oreo. Ash got almond. And Chaz got coconut.
So it's cold. It was raining last night a little bit. But here we are. Getting it done. Gonna see Ho Chi Minh. Gonna have a good egg coffee. I'm not sure about breakfast yet, but we're good.
Today I'm doing a little tour for everyone. I stayed up last night and just planned some of the must-see spots because we're traveling on a budget. We can't really, and we don't really want to be doing tours with a tour guide and all that. We kind of just want to roam and do it ourselves. So we're just walking around. We had the famous Hanoi egg coffee from Cafe Jean. That was honestly so delicious this morning. And now we're just heading to the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum to see Ho Chi Minh, the president. They've I can't remember what the word is for his body, but they've kept his body intact from ice or coldness or something like that, and you can go and view him before 11 AM. So it's currently just before 9:30. We're walking there now. We're about 30 minutes away, and normally you have to cover up. Last time I was here it was really hot, so normally you have to cover up, but it's probably 8 degrees right now, so we're all still in our warm clothes. But everyone else is here for the tour, and then Ash and Aaron at the back. How's your egg coffee this morning?
So good. I got the almond egg coffee, hot, and it was so good. It was the whole thing was egg. You videoed it, yeah?
Yeah, nice and
so
thick.
good. And Charlie got...
I got the coconut best egg coffee in Vietnam. Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah, definitely best egg coffee in Vietnam.
Right, we just arrived at the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. We're in the line, about to get scanned, go through pretty much what you'd go through at the airport. And then we're going to buy our tickets and go see Ho, but I don't think I can film in there. So I'll see you when we get out. Okay, I'm on my phone because I got my camera confiscated from me. And we got all our water bottles confiscated. But now we're just walking down to go into the mausoleum. And then it says on this bag that I have to give this to them before entering. So we'll see. Okay, I'm not allowed to film, but I just dropped off my camera over there, and I've got number 55 to go pick it up at the other side. Alright, I got my camera back. We were just in the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, and we walked around. You're in there for 10 seconds. You just walk around. There's 8 guards in there, and then Ho Chi Minh's body in a massive glass chamber thing. So I got my camera back, and now we're just heading to the museum. Sometimes there's bits of lines and a bit of a wait, but I highly recommend, even though you're only in there for maybe 10-15 seconds, it's so crazy how he's still being kept and everything, and how full on they are with their order and structure and all of that. It was Ryan's first time visiting the mausoleum. What did you think?
So it was pretty crazy. Walked up there, guards everywhere, guns, they're all dressed in white. But yeah, it was pretty crazy to see. His body didn't even really look dead, still looked like he could be alive, so it was a bit scary, but it was really cool. Yeah. Worth seeing.
We're getting lunch because we haven't eaten yet, and we found this pho place. It's called Pho 10, and they're making the pho right there. There's a massive line. We're at the famous Note Cafe. I came here in 2012, and Ash and Charlie came here recently when they went overseas. It's Aaron and Ryan's first time. We're not going to go in because you need to go in to drink. And we already had a coffee today, but look at even the aircon up there is covered in notes. A little bakery, all these notes here, it's just covered from the inside out. So Ash found this little cafe. It's we're in a shop, and then you go down this little like alleyway into the cafe. Like, look how far back this goes. We're walking all the way up here. And that's the view of the lake.
Turtle Tower it's called. Really good. Oh, so this one.
Aaron, what'd you get?
Ripped off.
Show us.
So I got these at another shop for 600 and he's selling them here for 500.
Yeah, where are they? Here they are for 500.
So, yeah, but look, what is it, 10 bucks?
Yeah.
You live and you learn.
You live and you learn. Oh wow.
Yeah, still got my shoes, it's fine.
And I'm looking at hiking boots or shoes, and Ash is trying on some New Balances. And then I think we're gonna head back and watch the Australian Open with the women's final and chill for the rest of the night. And then Ryan and I are going on a date night.
Day night.
Ryan hasn't told me where we're going yet, so it's a surprise. And then I think we're going to get a barmy for the actual dinner part, but we're gonna do something beforehand.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. But like, there's so many shoes here. Look at them all. There's Hokas, New Balances, Nikes. Okay, so just in a taxi, Ryan and I are. We tried to get a grab. No grabs. It's a Saturday night and the traffic is chaotic, so everyone's out and about. But we're heading out for something fun and then going to go get, I think, a barmy or some dinner later and then meet up with the others.
Surprise.
We're going to the Sky Observation Deck. We made it up to the observation deck. This is our view right now. It's so pretty at night because it just all lights up. And we've got a beer, treating ourselves instead of paying what?
One of the most expensive beers we've bought in a long time.
$9.
$9. So still cheaper than home, but it's expensive here. But it's worth it with this view.
Yeah. Morning, we are just standing on the side of the road. It is chaotic, but we're trying to go to that bridge over there. But there's just so many like bikes going everywhere. So we need to cross the road. Alright, so we made it onto the bridge. We were like trying to cross the road and then we're just walking on this really like little unstable side bit. Motorbikes coming down from this way and then going up on the other side. And then there's a train track in the middle, so a train must come through here. And upon some research that I did about this bridge, it was built by the company Eiffel, which is the same company that built the Eiffel Tower. So it's pretty cool. Very rusted and looks very old, but it goes on for so long. Like, that's already how far we've come from down there, and it just keeps going all along. Ryan and I are just sitting at a cafe with the train tracks going through. They've just moved our tables a bit closer, so I think the train's come in and there's a lot of people down there moving, shuffling forward. So I've always wanted to come here and I haven't been here before. We're very close to the tracks right now, like very close.